Hi, this is Ed Hill with Masters Roofing Memphis. Write my number down, 901-273-6594. You'll need it if you would like a price, an estimate, a bid, or a quote on roof repair or replacement, on exterior renovation from vinyl siding to cement fiberboard siding, to replacing wood rot, or even caulking and repainting your entire house. Maybe you need a new gutter system, or you would like energy efficient replacement windows. We can help you with that. We can even do interior drywall and painting. Did you know that? I'm excited because the noise you may hear in the background is we are renovating our roof design showroom, and it will have new features on roofing and vinyl siding as well. If you'd like to talk with me, call me, and as always, remember John 3:16.